Let's study week 18 of mechanic diesel. Let's see what we are going to study this week. Introduction, definition of heat treatment, definition of annealing, normalizing, hardening and tempering. Case hardening, night riding, induction hardening, flame hardening process used in auto components with examples. Introduction of heat treatment. Beginning with raw metal products leading all the way to final components assembly, various type of heat treatment and surface engineering process are applied in the manufacture of automotive components. Heat treatment impart the required strength or hardness properties as dictated by the given component application. Definition of heat treatment. Heat treatment may be defined as operation or combination of operations involving heat and cooling of metal alloy in solid state to obtain desirables conditions, example that of revealed stress properties, example better machinability, improved ductility, homogeneous structure. Some of the common industrial heat treatment operations are as follows: annealing, normalizing, hardening, and tempering. Annealing consists of heating a metal to a specific temperature based on a carbon content, holding it at the temperature for a set length of time, and then cool it very slowly. Normalizing. Normalizing is a type of heat treatment applicable to ferrous metal only. It differs from annealing in the metal is heated at a higher temperature and then removed from the furnace for air cooling. Hardening. Hardening is a heat treatment process in which steel is heated to an appropriate temperature based on the carbon content of the steel and held at this temperature for sufficient time to allow the steel to obtain a uniform temperature throughout the section. Tempering. Tempering consists of heating the steel to a specific temperature, generally below its hardening temperature, holding it at the temperature for the required length of time, and then cooling it, usually still air. Case hardening. It produces a hard wear resistant surface or case over a strong, tough core. The principal forms of case hardening are carburizing, cyaniding, and nitriding. Only ferrous metals are case hardened. Induction hardening. When high frequency alternating current is passes through the heating coil and electromagnetic field is created around it, it gives rise to eddy current in circle bar centered in the coil. Night riding. Night riding case hardening method produces the hardest surface of any of the hardening process. It introduces nitrogen into the surface of steel. Medium carbon steel are generally nitride. It differs from the other method in that the individual parts has been heat treated furnace that has an ammonia gas atmosphere as shown in figure. Flame hardening. It is another procedure that is used to harden the surface of metal parts. When you use an oxyacetylene flame, a thin layer at the surface of the part is rapidly heated to its critical temperature and then immediately quenched by a combination of water spray and the cool base metal. Type of heat treatment and surface hardening used for production of automotive components. Look into the below table for better understanding. Thank you for listening.